and welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? Now, today I should be uploading a baking video, but I'm not going to. This is because literally half an hour ago I was filming a video and it just didn't work, so I've regarded it as a massive fail. To be honest with you, I have absolutely no idea why it didn't work. I copied everything and did everything that I think I should have done. However, I do use gluten-free flour, and although that is a big change in itself, even when I've used other gluten-free flour brands, they have completely messed up my recipes as well. So for that reason, I actually only use a brand called Dove's Farm, and they do excellent flour. That's the only gluten-free flour I ever use in videos, or in anything that I do to do with baking or cooking or anything like that. I also only use lactose-free butter and lactose-free milk, both of which I use the brand lactose-free from Arla, I believe, who makes them. And of course, both of these can also affect the baking that I do. However, I have tried recipes with the exact same things, with the exact same crossovers, and they have worked, so I don't quite understand what's happened. However, when I've done recipes in the past that are from cookbooks, magazines, or even YouTube, I have used the gluten-free flour, the lactose-free butter, the lactose-free milk, and it has completely worked. So from now on, I unfortunately think I'm going to have to test bake every single thing that I upload, which I don't want to have to do because I think that it's a waste of food and possibly a waste of money as well. Not because I don't think it's going to be worth it, but because I think that I'm making something that I'm then going to have to make the exact same thing over again than when I film it. But I just don't think I have a choice in it anymore. And I have to admit to you that it is soul destroying and it is very upsetting for me, which sounds ridiculous, but this is a huge part of my life. I absolutely love baking. I absolutely love everything that I do on here. And I'd say 7 times out of 10 it is a massive struggle to create these things and make sure that they work for me to upload and share for you guys. And I just don't want every single thing that 7 times out of 10 of my uploads to do with baking to be fails. As much as I think you would enjoy them, I worry that I'm then giving you wrong information and that it's a waste of your time, and the waste of time is the worst thing for anyone ever. Time is so precious, so I just don't want you to have to waste it watching a video that hasn't worked. And I'm not very funny either, so it wouldn't exactly be a funny thing for you to watch. So I'm going to spend the next couple of days brainstorming, figuring out what I'm going to do and how I can keep to this uploading schedule, because I don't want that to change. I've already changed it once. I don't really want to have to change it again. And maybe that includes me moving into decorating and how to make icing and how to use certain piping tools for how to pipe them, how to use them. That's something that I've never touched. And if you look at my previous videos, you will know I've never touched because I just don't know how to decorate. It may also include me looking into cooking recipes of foods that I can no longer eat when I go out for dinner, and I want to be able to make for myself for when I can have it at home and eat it, i.e. fish and chips or burgers or ribs or anything like that. I would also like to look into cooking recipes and things like that because I miss not being able to have fish and chips or milkshakes or anything when I go out for dinners. I have to be careful of every single thing. So if I can create a lactose-free and gluten-free fish and chips, if I can create a lactose-free and gluten-free burgers, pizzas, anything like that, for anyone who is having the same difficulties as me, I would feel very good about myself. And that is what I want this channel to be. Something that makes everyone, including myself, feel good about myself. Or yourself, or anyone, ourselves, let's put it like that. So that is it, a little quick update for you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't. Let me know in the comments of anything else you'd like to see me make, gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. Also let me know of anything cooking wise, decorating wise, anything you'd like me to do, considering I'm going to be researching a lot of this stuff now. I am questioning whether to put a hashtag up, but it's not going to be a baking with Vickiie. I'm wondering whether to put a hashtag not baking with Vickiie. No, let's go with that. Hashtag not baking with Vickiie. And finally, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!